Hello traders out there in Traderland D7 here with freetradingvideos.com, and the markets are down. The Dow down 0.5%, 6.2% here on the S&P, NASDAQ 0.6%, and a big drop on the Russells, 1.43% down. But check this out, the VIX also dropping. If the markets were down, the VIX should have been up, positive. And we actually seen a full 3% drop. We are below 21 on the fear indicator. Very interesting to see. The S&P boring me to death, and a lot of times that happens on high bases. We had a high base here and it dropped, a high base here and it dropped, a high base there and it dropped, a high base here, and I have to assume it's going to go up. Now, it goes against logic because of what I just did, but statistically speaking, high base formations are more bullish than they are bearish. However, we haven't been seeing that as of late. Kind of reminds me of the rising wedges. A lot of the rising wedges we've seen in the last 7 months have petered out and not went bearish like they were supposed to. But never, ever, ever catch yourself on the wrong side of the fence going against statistics. When it comes to technical analysis, there's probability stacked on our side, so never go against that. And because this is boring me to death, I'm going to pull up a couple just stocks and do some analysis on Apple. They came out and beat earnings today. We had a nice uptrend above all the major moving averages and a gap up. You're too late to jump on this at this moment. What you have to do is wait for a high base breakout or a bull pullback, and when you get one of those and they fit all your rules, there's 7 rules that I play on a bull pullback that it has to meet, that I do teach my students. And so anyway, just wait for that one to set up. And Caterpillar also came out with earnings, beat earnings, and here we had what's called a gap fill. Again, let's just kind of go up. We have this nice uptrend, higher swing highs, higher swing lows above all the major moving averages, clearing these highs. We had what's called an ascending triangle right here. I'll spare you from drawing those trend lines. And we had a breakout yesterday on Monday, and then we continued higher here, and it was a gap up and it came down. The gaps fill but roughly 80% of all gaps will fill, and this one sure did come back up. You're too late on this one. Wait for a formation to set itself up before you get into Caterpillar. And let's look at RIM and see what that's doing. RIM has fallen out of bed. Come up here, we're just chopping around sideways. You can see this gap down. Now we have the 200-day moving average acting as support below the 20-day and the 50-day. I would not touch this unless it broke down under 65. Then there would be a short opportunity that could get down to $50. So a short opportunity on RIM. Let's look at Google. Google's been a machine going straight up, higher swing highs, higher swing lows above all the moving averages. You can see the moving averages. See how they start to expand out. They kind of finger out here. Very healthy to see such a move. Today we had a big drop in Google, and it came screaming right back up, but a breakout over the high of Google would be a fantastic play, but only do that when the markets are going in your favor. I'll tell you, net volume both on the NASDAQ and also the New York Stock Exchange, net volume decreased all day long. And so that's an ominous thing for me to see in the markets. And but anyway, there you have it. Tonight we are doing a Meet the Mentor, and we only have 12 spots. Most of them are taken already. You can try to get in. Just click on services and there at the website and fill in the form, and we'll see if we can get you in. But we're actually mentoring this weekend. It's a 4-day mentoring. It's very advanced. Well, we start off very elementary, so no one's left behind, and we quickly advance into our training in both technical and fundamental analysis. We give you the very best. We teach you what we personally do in our own trading. We don't leave anything out. And we only have 8 spots for this coming weekend. Spots still available, and love to have you. Talk to you soon. Happy trading. Keep your head down and never trade without a stop loss.